guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a banana split. Previously we made ice cream together, fake ice cream. So I'm still going to go through the process today, but I will
2,000 years later.
show you how to put things together for a banana split. But it will be a fake banana split, obviously. So I'm still gonna make my ice cream scoop first, and this is the look I'm going for. This one is Step inspired. It's like kind of like a 1950 kind of look. Yeah, so we need to make 3 scoop, and there's 2 banana on each side, and some cream on top, and cherries, and some chocolate sauce. Alright, let's get started. If you watched another video and you know we need a frosting for some ice cream, so I'm gonna put the whole frosting, whole kind of frosting in because I'm gonna make more scoops today. Okay. And then we're going to put some food colorants in, and today we're going to make a pink ice cream using this deep pink. I'm going to put 1 tiny drop. Sorry, that was not 1 drop, that was 2 drops. Also, Hazel, you're making a lot of background noise right now. Shout out to Hazel. Hi, Hazel. Hazel. I think she wants some frosting. When you see like this type of texture, this is not good for scooping ice cream because it's too soft. It's not actually giving you the real ice cream texture. So you need to put more powdered sugar. I think I'm gonna end up using the whole bag.
20 minutes later.
Take a look. See, like every time I scoop, there's like this type of texture. So that means your ice cream is almost in the right texture. Because they are still sort of soft when I scoop it. Oh, I don't know where this black thing comes from. I will actually put a little bit more powdered sugar. I feel like this is like 6 scoops of ice cream. But this is definitely right. That is why I can just scoop out. That's perfect. I think it's not works. Frosting, but still will look good. I'm not frosting much. Okay. I feel like that's pretty real. I also need to wash my hands because it's very black. I'm gonna wash my hands. Right? I feel like this is actually look better than the last batch I did. 3 bananas. So for the cream and all these sauce, I'm gonna put it right before we're taking photo for this, because I've learned that the cream will kind of melt it in between for staging. So I know this doesn't look this, but it will once we start staging. All right. Here you go. I feel like that's not enough. Good comeback. Here's the chocolate. Where's this one?
I got you. Just put it on. I'll guard it from Hazel.
Well,
just sprinkle emergencies, Mikkel, don't mind us.
Some kind of It'll be cute if it's like a little cat.
I know, I'll bring them next time. I really only bought them to support her and to gift it to people, so we can use them, Claire.
Such a good friend.
Yeah, anything she makes, I'm like, oh, I could buy some rosé.
Hey guys, so we finished the shooting. As you can tell, all the frostings are melting, so that's why I didn't put it on right away. So you really, if you wanna, not frosting, the whipped cream, if you want the whipped cream look nice and together, you should put it on very last minute. But basically what we did, we drizzled some chocolate sauce and put some sprinkles in and cherry on the top, and same thing there. And we create a little different height for this set. I feel very shiny, but okay. Like and subscribe.
Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to make a banana split, but not with ice cream. You'll need some bananas and some really great pieces from @Mujilier. So first things first is you need to know the recipe. I don't know it. Claire, can you come help me?